All right, so it's just a quick video. One of my subscribers, he hit me up a couple days ago, and he already had an RT Challenger, right?
Yeah.
Now he didn't switch that shit in, and he ain't got a whole Scatpack, brand new 2019 Scatpack wide body. And you know I got the Scatpack 2019 Destroyer Gray. He ain't did nothing to it because, like I said, he just got it on Monday. Been watching my channel, you know everything I got done to the car. You can browse through and see it. But I'm just gonna do a quick comparison. You know, exhaust sound. He gonna get in this one, crank it up, rev it a couple times, and then gonna switch over to this one, crank it up, and rev it a couple times. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started. All right, so that's it. You heard him. You can definitely tell the difference. I don't know how good you know, the camera quality is on the sound, but this one is way more louder. This is still the same, you know, Scatpack. It just got wide bodies, no different engine or exhaust performance that comes stock with it. So these basically the same cars. The only thing is, you know, it's got the wide body option, and it comes standard. What are these, 305s in the back? Yep. 305s in the back, and you know what size it is in the front? 305. Damn, 305. So 305s front and back. You know, these 245s is mainly, it's just a appearance difference. You see what I'm saying? Wide body, bigger tires, and the front, yeah, the front is different. HELLCAT front end, but everything else is basically the same.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah. Reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah. And now I'm out here getting